Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I was sent a beautiful bag from the company Charinut, and it came to me from Amazon, and it was in a box, and I wanted to show you how well it's packaged. It's in an outer plastic bag, and inside it's in this nice little dust bag. You can keep this as a dust bag. And then inside this is this beautiful bag. You see it's wrapped very, very nicely. And this is a vegan leather that feels and looks like real leather. It says, versatile beauty for every occasion. We pursue to make nice products for our customers. And it is Charinut. And this bag comes in this brown. Let me unwrap it. I'll be back. This bag is so pretty. It says it's vegan leather, but y'all, I'm telling you, I am very picky about leather, and this is so well done. It's so smooth and beautiful, and I chose this brown in particular because so that you can see, hopefully see it better. It comes in black, it comes in dark blue, and it comes in almond. And they're not two-tone. This is the only one that's two-tone that has the tweed going on. So let me show you the back of it, and I'll tell you the dimensions. This is the back, and you have a nice pocket where you can put a couple of dollars in or something quick you have to get out. Your ticket if you park your car in a parking garage with attendants, that type of thing. And it has this fabulous chain shoulder strap. So this, you can also adjust here as well. You can put this over your shoulder. You can put this cross-body. You can also carry it like this and just put it over your arm here or just on your shoulder like this. It's so pretty. And you can also, if you want to, you can take the leather strap off completely and just use the chain. And you can double up on the chain. It's really, really pretty, y'all. Really pretty. I love that chain. And the hardware, let me tell you about the hardware. It is made from beautiful and durable aluminum alloy. And the shoulder strap is made of metal chain and leather. And the exterior of the bag is high quality vegan leather and rough canvas, which is fashionable and texture, it says. It's very, very pretty, very, very chic. And then it opens like this. Here you have a twist to open it. And there's still more stuffing. I didn't take the inside stuffing out because I wanted you to see how well it was packed. It has this nice cushion here. This is a good size pocket. This would hold my cell phone. You know, if you wanted to put your cell phone there, easy access. And then that is on the inside. And it's all lined very beautifully. You can see that's lined with this nice ivory lining. There is a pocket on the back, which has the leather all around the zipper. And that pocket is goes deep. And there's the interior of it. And then there's a pocket on this side of the bag. This one does not have a zipper. This one, you can just put different things in there. And it's very, very pretty. This bag is only $29.99, and I have a 20% off link or code for you. So when you go to Amazon to purchase this bag, you'll put the code in at your checkout to get your 20% off. It's so pretty. Let me tell you the dimensions. This to me is like the perfect size everyday bag. So the dimensions are, it's only 1 pound. It only weighs 1 pound, and it is 9.5 inches long, which would be this way, 9.5 inches this way, 3.5 inches high. Now that would be, this is the 5.1 inch high, and this is 3.5 inches here. And the crossbody strap can be, if you double it, it is 11.8 to 12.2 inches, depending on how you hold it. So that's a nice, like a nice drop, a nice shoulder drop. So you can hold it comfortably on your shoulder. If you do the whole crossbody strap, that is 21 to 22 inch drop. So that can go crossbody, and this is adjustable. Again, if you need it a little bit longer, it's adjustable. And okay, now I'm seeing it a little closer. I thought you could take this leather off, you could take this side off, but you can't take it off here. But you can loop it a few times to make it shorter if that's what you'd like to do. And it's pretty with that gold chain up here, or used like that. So, and there's just a lot of room. It's very, very beautiful. It is, let's see what else I can tell you about it. It is leather wrapped edge design. So all of the leather edging, it's very well crafted. Some vegan leather bags don't have any trim. They're just, you know, cut. This is all sewn all the way around. So it's gonna last, and it's very well crafted. The whole bag is well sewn, you can see. And it's a nice sturdy bag. It'll hold its shape. You know that the bubble wrap is not in there anymore, and it holds its shape. You can see it's got a nice frame to it. And there's that bag pocket. It's a very attractive bag, and it would go with lots of different outfits. It would go for an everyday bag or a all occasion bag. It really is. It come in handy for a lot of different uses. And I think that this particular one, the two-tone, is so attractive. It would go with so many things. You could wear this with your jeans. You could wear this with a nice dress. So, you know, with your Sunday best. So, and of course on Amazon, you do have free returns. And I'm just so happy that Charinut sent this over to me, free for review to show you. And it's Charinut. I'll have that in the title. And then I'll also have the code in the description if you'd like to save 20%. And again, it comes in almond. The almond is beautiful. The black and the dark blue, those three are all leather, where this one has the brown. This one's called brown, and it has the tweed fabric. So when you click on the link that I have for you below of this bag, when it comes up on your screen at the top of the title, it says visit the Charinut store. Then you can see what other types of bags they have as well. And I am wearing on my eyes today the ColourPop Wine and Only palette. And there's some fuzz on there. Whew. These are the gorgeous colors in here. And then I have this lippy. It's by July Star, Professional Makeup, it says. And this is from the Klever Beauty Box. I love the way the handle, it's a very nice to use. And this is what it looks like here. And that is the lipstick that I'm wearing today. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. And thank you so much to Charinut for sending this beautiful bag over to me. Just beautiful.